In this activity, 3 of your classmates will act as the team helping you plan your event. You create a calendar to schedule team meetings. Then, you use Gmail to communicate about the calendar and the to-do list you created previously. You will create a shared calendar, schedule events, compose emails using to, CC, and BCC fields, add an email signature and link files in an email, and use reply and reply all to respond to emails. If you're not sure who is in your group of 4, ask your instructor. Each person in your group will follow the steps described in this activity for their event. The other members of your group will act as team members supporting that event. This means that you'll also act as a team member for the events organized by others in your group. By the end of this activity, you have communicated with your team members about your event and will have received communications about their events. To start, open a new tab and open Google Calendar. Then, move on to the next video where you'll create a group calendar to schedule meetings for your events.